Здравейте, пътешественици! Продължаваме с марокански приключения. Днес отиваме в планината Узуд и ще гледаме водопадите. В момента се намираме тук в селцето, а това отзад, не знам къде се вижда, е хотела на мароканския крал. Взимаме ви с нас. Озоуд. Водопадите. То местно магазинче. Воля.
Това е такова.
Туристическо.
Най-големият водопад в Марокко. Втория по големина в Африка.
Да, втория водопад.
Големина в Африка е най-големият в Марокко.
الله يحفظك يا بني عاونك بخير يا اخوياك يحفظك فيك شوفوا الحلال
Ще видим и село на бербери, между другото. Берберско село. Това са къщите. О, вижте какъв готин ресторант има тук. Много приятно ресторанче. Ето го хотела на мароканския крал. Една нощувка струва 120 евро с закуска, което за тукашния стандарт е ужасно много, но за английския стандарт си е абсолютно нормална цена на нощувка. Тук се правят разни ремонти. Ето е нашата група.
So from here, just take you on to see the mountains and down the waterfalls, and after you go on the side, it's speaking on you. Okay. Right, better than you.
Ще обиколим един час и след това ще седнем ето тук долу.
The second one in Africa. Someone, you know the big waterfalls in Africa? No.
Oh, no.
Zimbabwe. Victoria Falls. Victoria Falls. 136 meters. That 110. On Victoria Falls in the middle of Zimbabwe, Zambia. Yes. And someone as well. You know the name of this village, no? The name of this village.
The name of the village?
Yeah. Uzud.
Узуд.
Someone, you know what that means, Uzud? No.
No.
Uzud, small. The small olive tree. Uzud on Berber, because I said it's Berber language. And do you know what that means in Berber? Berber. Imaziran. It's named Imaziran. And Berber, the people, they live in the mountains here in Morocco. It's the Berbers.
They speak Berber.
They speak Berber.
Can't really go there. You have to be
And for example, the people they're living in Marrakesh, Arabic, Arabic language. Okay. For example, someone know the capital of Morocco? No. No. Casablanca, the big city in Morocco.
No,
Not Marrakesh.
no
The
Marrakesh, I know
capital
Marrakesh.
of Morocco is not Marrakesh.
Marrakesh is the tourist capital.
Congratulations. I give it to one card after. So, Rabat.
Arabat.
For example, wait. This is a river. Let's go to straight in the sea in Rabat. 400 kilometers from here. Okay? Good? Yalla.
يلا طبعا
Sorry, brother. Okay. Brother. Take a picture with me. Take a picture. Be careful, please. Be careful, please. Be careful, please. Tarzan is here. Tarzan is here. Let's be that way. Okay? Sometimes don't have some machine. Okay, okay. And each family here, for example, each family one color. One, because here is not some biggest village, just small village. 120 house, 120 family.
Okay.
For example, each family green, black.
Yes.
And in the time of olives they come in. Anyone they know.
Which one? Yeah.
Yes. And here camping in summertime. Because in summer times here it's very hot. Sometimes 45 degrees, 46, 47. It's like Saudi Arabia here sometimes. Yeah. And many people they come and camp here. يلا نزمت اخويا
والله
let's go please. Sometimes you have water here,
Okay.
but it's not good for drinking. Just for washing, for berber machine, for women.
For women.
And for irrigation as well, for olive. Okay. For the figs, for grapes, for everything. Okay?
Okay, ladies, please. Yeah. Let's look at it. Don't do that, don't. I mean, take a seat, please. Okay.
You know this tree, no? You know this tree?
Yes, okay. I know, but I know what's the English name.
What is not now of the figs? In the time of the figs, there is monkey, they come in, they eat everything.
I know what's that.
And look in this tree. There is green, there is everything. For example,
the black one.
the black one in
Maslini.
maybe 1 month they changed color, but it's not nice for lunch now.
Yeah.
It's not nice
So
for-
green going to red and after black, yeah?
Yes.
Sorry.
Maybe
And
1
black.
month it's gonna be black.
It is black up there. Look on the top is black.
And there is black
Yeah,
one.
there's black everywhere.
Because sun is there. Sun is change color.
Only one.
And in the forest, yo.
Look, all these black olives.
It's in the forest, in the forest. See? There, no.
Маслинови горички.
Hello.
So I'm going to give you some information about how we made the arganovo.
Okay.
So first of all, here we have the argan fruit. So we're going to pull over, crush the nuts, and then we got the almond inside.
Yeah.
The only difference between these two, this is roasted, this is natural. Roasted one we use it to make arganovo for cooking and eating. This one for cosmetics only. Natural for cosmetics and roasted for cooking and eating. So the next step how we work, we put the almond inside and then start turning the mill. After the oil with space becomes out from here. So we need water to separate it. For example, in summertime we need cold water. If it was in winter we need hot water. Actually that side is a cosmetic side and it costs 6 hours to make 1 liter of oil. And this one just 4 hours. 4 hours because already
It's roasted.
Yes.
It's easy to
And
crush.
this one have to mix it. After we finish all the process, we got leftover. The rest we can use it like a black soap or a face mask, whatever you want. So it's cosmetics either that for feed animals, goats specifically, and that for fire. That's it. And we got some product inside if you're interested about it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Сме в магазинчето. Значи, за едно такова количество се идва 6 часа.
Thank you.
Yes, let me know.
Which month is the best? Summer. September.
Summer sometimes we have.
It's like the banana black. They're making for that one here in Morocco and in Spanish as well, black chocolate.
Dark chocolate.
And we have small,
Кой скажи, човек?
small green inside. It's very nice for asthma, meditation, Berber meditation.
Това? На боги. Това на боги.
Look what you want, listen, look what you want and what price here.
Борис.
For looking it's for free, but for buy to pay. انا قاعد اكبد سنوات نسنيك بديها هذا غير غنى قبرني دنيا تكون شيء الشبكه تجمع
Like someone.
What price?
Thank you.
Виж, Василе. Василчета има.
اوكي
Шопинг маняци, хайде.
Yeah, Berber should. Help me. Can you help me, please? Thank you, me. Okay.
It's nice to walk in the middle.
In the middle.
Because in the middle not sleep.
Още един магазин тук. Thank you.
Hey, Boris. Boris, come on.
Mori.
Come back and I can buy some.
Boris, we are going. Bye bye. Thank you.
Mama, this big stove big. And I can fall.
Внимавай, няма да фол.
So, because this
Виж,
big
тук правят натурален сок. Виж, джус. Джус. Виж?
Mommy, come on, I want to fall down on Daddy and Bobby and Bump.
Харесва ли ти тук?
Mommy, come on. Big stove. I can fall.
буташ, нали така?
Monkey. Monkey. Bye. I saw two books. Mommy, look, two monkeys.
1 million years ago.
Mommy, look, monkey. Mommy, look, monkey.
Sometimes raining,
Mommy,
women they wish the
I
cow
saw
on top.
three monkeys.
And snow. Everyday water they come is from here. For example, wood coming from here. They think this is altars.
You wanna
This is 1 million years. And here small caves. It's like that one, and that one, and that one, and that one. In winter times, you have batmans. Bats.
Oh, look, there are bats
Bats.
inside.
You have batmans here. But
Ariana, there
now,
are bats in there. Look,
There's no bats now.
no bats.
in the winter time.
Yalla.
It is winter.
Yalla, yalla.
Seguimos, por favor. No touch, don't touch, don't touch.
Ven aquí por cuando la foto así que una.
Daddy, please can I have this one?
Борис, after.
This.
It's sweet now, after it.
Excuse me, please can I have this one? Daddy, please can I have
This is all this is making here. This is stone de la pasta.
Very nice.
Yeah, this is for the montana. This one, this is the amethyst cutting. This one for this is for the montana.
Wow, very nice.
Yeah,
You're making a choice.
yeah. Right.
It's friendly with kids.
Ще един магазин.
Right side.
Вече сме долу и ще разгледаме водопадите отдолу. Много преживяване хора. Много преживяване хора. Пожелавам и да дойдете тук и да се насладите на Мароко. Такова каквото ми видяхме. Много е добре. Тук това е ресторант и къмпинг. Борис!
This is my neighborhood. Are you from France? From your Moroccan? Yeah, Moroccan. Makhouya. Sama. Give me.
Къде ще бъде хубаво? Okay. Oh my goodness. What you want, darling? You take my... Okay. You ready?
Be careful in your phone because sometimes they fall in the river.
Okay.
If it's some phone fall in the river,
No problem.
Okay.
bye.
Bye bye.
And go up.
Така, разходката ни скоро ще свърши. Бяхме под водопада, намокрихме се хубавичко, но беше много готино. И сега тук набързичко ще ви разходя с това селие, какво е, не знам, туристическа спирка. Hello! Thank you! Чакайте да ви снимам къде си хапват хорицата. Много як ресторант. Пред водопадчето. А тук се готви манджата. Затова е толкова вкусна. Прясно месо, направено на жар под похлупак. Айде! Ох, толкова много стълби. Не бях изкачвала скоро. Тези пазарчета са почти на всеки 2-3 метра. Предлагат разни билки, чайчета, козметика.
Ela está a comer bolachas, coitado, não tem diarreia.
Come on.
It's coming, it's here.
I don't eat peanuts. You need some chocolate today.
И време за обяд. Вкусно ли е?
Да.
Гладнички сте.
Аз съм починал.